Hi friends, నేను సాయిరామ్. వెల్కమ్ టు మై యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్ ఎంఎస్ఆర్ క్లాసెస్. టార్గెట్ IBPS RRB PO అండ్ క్లర్క్ 2023 ప్రిపరేషన్లో ప్రిలిమ్స్ లెవెల్ క్వాంటిటేటివ్ యాప్టిట్యూడ్ సెషన్స్. దిస్ ఈజ్ 39th సెషన్. ప్రీవియస్ సెషన్స్ వాచ్ చేయని వాళ్ళు ఆ సెషన్స్ని కూడా వాచ్ చేయండి. అలాగే క్వశ్చన్స్ PDF టెలిగ్రామ్ ఛానల్లో అవైలబుల్గా ఉన్నాయి. జాయిన్ ద ఛానల్ అండ్ డౌన్లోడ్ ద PDFs. రైట్? ఎస్. Today's session, this class is about boats and streams. Right? Yes. Questions మాట్లాడదాం. The time taken by a man to row 120 kilometers along the stream is 1/3 against the stream. Find the speed of the boat in still water. Then 120 kilometers along the stream ante m plus s is 1/3 of the time taken to row against the stream. M minus S. If the speed of a stream is 10 kmph, right? 120 gets cancelled. 3m minus 3s is equal to m plus s. 2m is 4s. m is 2s. S value 10 చెప్తున్నారు, which is 20 kmph is my final answer for this question. Option B is the correct answer. Done. Right? Yes. Next. The speed of current అంటే S అని మాట్లాడతాం, which is 4 kmph చెప్తున్నారు. Done. A boat goes 10 kilometers upstream and comes back in 80 minutes. 10 kilometers upstream m minus 4 and at same distance 10 kilometers m plus s, which is 4 kilometers in 80 minutes. 80 upon 60. Then what is the speed of boat in still water? M value find out చేయమంటున్నారు. Done. 10 క్యాన్సిల్ చేస్తే ఇక్కడ 0 పోతుంది. రైట్? 8 4 2 times 4 15 times. Then 2 by 15 1 by m plus 4 plus 1 by m minus 4 is 2 by 15. Denominator 15 multiple రావాలి. Right? Let us guess. 16 plus 4 20. 16 minus 4 12. 16 plus 4 20. 16 minus 4 12, which is LCM is 20 and 60. 12 63 and 5 8 by 60 2 by 15. Correct? 8 by 60 2 by 15. Yes. M value 16 kmph. or else ఇక్కడ నుంచి క్వాడ్రాటిక్ ఈక్వేషన్ మాట్లాడాలి. m minus 4 plus m plus 4 upon a square minus b square is 2 by 15. 15m 2m square minus, which is ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసి 4 gets cancelled. 2m 30m, right? Minus 32 is equal to, okay, 2 cancel చేసేస్తే m square minus 15m minus 16 is equal to 0. 16 one time minus 15 minus 16 plus 1. m value 16 comma minus 1. 16 ఒకటే తీసుకుంటాం. Option B is the final answer for this question. Done. Correct? Yes. Next question. The ratio of a speed of boat in still water to speed of a stream m 5A మాట్లాడుతున్నారు, ఎస్ 4A చెప్తున్నారు. ఇఫ్ ద బోట్ కవర్స్ 72 కిలోమీటర్స్ రైట్ ఇన్ 20 hours రైట్ 72 కిలోమీటర్స్ అప్ స్ట్రీమ్ అంటే ఏ, అలాగే డౌన్ స్ట్రీమ్ 72 kilometers 9A in total 20 hours 9 8 times 80 upon A value 4 right. Speed of boat in still water M value అడుగుతున్నారు 5A 20 kmph 20 kmph option A is the final answer for this question. Correct. Yes. Next question. If the time taken by boat to travel 30 kilometers upstream is twice that of time taken 75 downstream, 30 kilometers upstream ante M minus S is twice that of, 2 times that of 75 kilometers with the speed M plus S. Then stream speed S value చెప్తున్నారు 10, అలా అయితే బోట్ స్పీడ్ కావాలి 75 2 times 150, then 35 times M plus 10 is 5M minus 50, 4M 60, M 15 kmph. 15 kmph option B is the final answer for this question. Done. Next question. The ratio of a speed of boat in still water, speed of a stream, then M 4A, S 3A. Boat travel 140 kilometers along with the current in 4 hours and it will come back in right 140 upon along the speed ante 7A in 4 hours 7 2 times 4 5 times, then ante A 5 M 20 S 15. Come back along the stream, ఇప్పుడు against the stream రావాలి. Time taken is distance 140 kilometers with the speed difference is 5 2 times 10 28 hours 28 hours option D is the final answer for this question. Then yes, next question. The time taken by the boat to travel 360 kilometers downstream is 60% of the time taken distance upstream. 360 kilometers downstream is 60%, 3/5 of time taken to travel same distance 360 M minus S. Speed of a stream is 5, S value 5 చెప్తున్నారు. Done. 360 gets cancelled, right. 5M minus 25 is 3M plus 15, 2M value 40, M is 20. Speed of boat in still water 20 kmph option D is the final answer for this question. Done. Correct. Yes. Next question. A boat covers certain distance along the stream in 4 hours and same boat the same distance against the stream. What is the ratio? Done. Distance upon M plus S in 4 hours, distance upon M minus S in 12 hours. Then రెండు సేమ్ డిస్టెన్సెస్ 4M plus 4S is equal to 12M minus 12S. Then 8M is 16S. M is to S 2 is to 1. 2:1. Option A is the final answer for this question. Then next question. Ratio of speed of boat in still water and stream is m value 4a, s is 3a. Ratio of a boat rowing along the stream, ratio of speeds. Okay. Along the stream ante 7a upon against the stream a is 7:1. 7:1, 7:1 answer cannot be determined. Answer cannot be determined. Next question. The time taken by the boat to cover upstream is half of the time taken D downstream. D minus 36 upstream is half of the time taken D kilometers downstream. Right. The ratio of speeds of downstream to that of m plus s to m minus s is 3:2. M 5a, s 2a, a. Correct. Difference upon 2. Sum upon 2, difference upon 2. Done. Yes. If the time taken to cover D minus 22 upstream is, then ఇక్కడ నుంచి 2 hours, D minus 22 upstream ante 4a in 2 hours. What is the speed of current? Right. 8a is equal to D minus 22. D value 8a plus 22. ఇక్కడ నుంచి D is equal to 8a plus 22. ఈ D value ఇక్కడ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే 8a minus 22 plus 36, which is 14 remaining, upon m is m minus s, which is 4a. Then m minus s 4a is half that of distance 8a plus 22 upon m plus s 6a. A gets cancelled. 2 times 2, 3 times. Then 8 3 times 24a minus 14 3 times 42. 8a plus 22. 16a is 40 20 60 64. A value 16 4 times 64. What is the speed of current? Current speed s is equal to a 4 kmph. Option D is the final answer for this question. Then correct. Yes. Next question. The boat covers certain distance along the stream 12 hours and the same boat against the stream 20 hours. Then same distance, okay, along the stream, distance upon m plus s is 12. Distance upon m minus s is 20. Sum of if the sum of speeds of boats ante m plus s plus m minus s is 32. Then ఎలా అయితే m value 16, what is the speed of current? Then distances are same. 12m plus 12s is equal to 20m minus 20s. correct. 8m is equal to 32. Yes, m value is 4 times that of s. M 16, yes, 16 upon 4, 4 kmph. Option B is the correct answer for this question. Then, correct? Yes. Next question. The boat in still water travels the distance of downstream. The boat in still water travel the distance of downstream is 175% of the distance traveled upstream in same time. Time same మాట్లాడుతున్నారు, right? 175%. Okay, 7 4 7, correct. 4 a distance m plus s is the same as 7a distance m minus s. Then stream speed 4. Find the speed of boat in still water. A gets cancelled. 4m minus 16, 7m plus 7, 4 times 28. Done. Wait. Boat in still water. The boat in still water travel the distance of downstream 175% of the distance while travel upstream in the same time, right? ఏంటి నెగిటివ్ వాల్యూ వస్తుంది. వెయిట్, ఈక్వేషన్ కరెక్ట్గా రాసుకోవాలి. The boat in still water travel the distance of downstream is 175% of the distance which travel upstream in the same time, right? రెండింటిని చేంజ్ చేసుకోవాలి, ఇది మైనస్ ప్లస్. ఓకే ఓకే, ఎస్, ప్లస్ 11, sorry, 3m is 16, 28, 30, 14, 44. M is 44 upon 3. Option A is the final answer for this question. Then 44 upon 3. Yes, next question. If the time taken by boat to travel downstream is half of the time taken by travel upstream, downstream time is, okay, downstream time is half of the, okay, upstream. If the boat running in upstream and covers 120 kilometers and also while running downstream same distance, then what is the speed of the boat in still water? Then if the boat is running in upstream and covers one upstream, okay, same distance, m plus s is half that of 120 m minus s. 2m minus 2s is m plus s. M is equal to 3s, right? ఎంకి ఎస్కి రిలేషన్ వచ్చింది కానీ అక్కడ ఒక స్ట్రీమ్ స్పీడ్ ఏదో ఒకటి తెలియదు కాబట్టి ఆప్షన్ డి కెనాట్ బి డిటర్మైన్డ్ ఈజ్ మై ఫైనల్ ఆన్సర్ ఫర్ దిస్ క్వశ్చన్. దెన్ ఎస్, నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. Find the time taken by boatman to travel 270 kilometers downstream, whereas downstream speed of boatman is 300% of upstream. 2m 4s, m is to s 2 is to 1. Stream speed 15, 2 parts 30. Time taken downstream 270 upon 45. 45 2 times 90, 93 times, total 6 hours. 6 hours is the final answer. Option D is the correct answer for this question. Then next question. The ratio of upstream and downstream m minus s upon m plus s. m minus s 4a, m plus s 7a. అంటే m వాల్యూ యాడ్ చేసి డివైడెడ్ బై 2 చేయండి, విచ్ ఈస్ 11a. s వాల్యూ డిఫరెన్స్ 3a. 3a value 7.5 into 25. 25 11 times 27.5. Find the average speed. The right, still water and upstream speed. Average of speed of still water, upstream speed m minus s kavali ante difference 20. Still water m 27.5. Done. Average, required average is 47.5 upon 2, which is 23.75. Option C is the final answer for this question. Then yes, next question. A boat can travel 16 kilometers downstream in 32 minutes. m plus s వాల్యూ చెప్తున్నారు 16 upon 32 minutes కాబట్టి divided with 60. Then 16 2 times, which is 30, right? 30 kmph. Speed of current is 1/4 of speed of m is to s 4 is to 1. Total 5 parts 30. అంటే m value 24, s is 6. What is the boat travel 20 minutes? Distance is equal to speed. Boat in still water 24, 20 by 3, 60, sorry, 1 by 3, 8 kilometers. 8 kilometers. Option D is the final answer for this question. Done. Next question. A boat travels upstream to cover 40 kilometers and travel downstream to cover 120 kilometers. Is the ratio of speed of boat in still water, speed of stream. Right. What is the difference between time taken upstream and downstream distance? Okay. The difference between the times అడుగుతున్నారు. 40 kilometers upstream time taken is upstream ante a. This is my time taken. Next 120 kilometers 3a. This is my time taken. ఇది upstream, ఇది downstream. Okay. What is the difference between the times? రెండు వేరియబుల్స్ ఉన్నాయి. Okay. Upstream time is equal to downstream time అనుకుంటా. Difference 0. None of these. upstream time is 40 by A, downstream time is also 40 by A. A value ఎంతైనా అనవసరం, 0 hours. Option E, none of these is the final answer for this question. Done. Next question. A boat can travel 60 kilometers downstream in 50 minutes. Done. 60 kilometers downstream in 50 minutes. A ratio of a speed of a stream, right? 60 upon 3a value, 50 by 60, 5 by 6, 5, 12 times 3, 4 times a value 24, right? M 48, S 24, 48. Done. How much time? 80 kilometers upstream. Time 80 upon 24, right? 24 3 times 72. 8 by 24 ante 1 by 3 into 60. 3 hours 20 minutes. 3 hours 20 minutes is my final answer for this question. Then, right? Option B is the correct answer for this question. Yes. Next question. A boat covers 144 kilometers along the stream in 6 hours, and the same boat 216 18 hours along the stream M plus S 6, 216 M minus S 18, 6, 2 times 6, 4 times M plus S 24, M minus S 1 time 36, 12. M value add చేసి divided by 2, S value difference చేసి divided by 2. Then what is the distance traveled by boat in 8 hours? Distance is equal to 18, 8 times 144 kilometers. Option E is the final answer for this question. Then next question. A boat takes 39 hours for traveling downstream from point A to and come back, which is midway between A and B. Right? వెళ్ళాలట ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ ఏ అనుకుందాం, ఏ బి సి. డన్. వెళ్ళి రావడానికి 39 hours టైం పట్టింది. రైట్. Is the speed of a stream, right? A నుంచి Bకి డౌన్ స్ట్రీమ్ టోటల్ 2a డిస్టెన్స్ అపాన్ స్పీడ్ m ప్లస్ s, అలాగే ఏఎస్ స్పీడ్ m మైనస్ s, టోటల్ 39 hours. Right? Speed of a stream is 18, speed of boat is 32. Find the distance between. Right? 2a upon m plus s, 18 plus 32, which is 50. A upon m minus s, 30 minus 20, 15 is 39. Then 25. A by 25, A by 15, right, is equal to 39. 25 and 15 LCM is 25, 14 times 25 plus 14, 39. A is 39. A value 25, 14 times 250 plus 100, which is 350. Again the question, total distance between A and B. A and A total 2a, which is 700 kilometers. 700 kilometers is the final answer. Option B is the correct answer for this question. Done. Yes. Next question. A man rows boat against the stream flowing at a rate of 8 kmph for a distance of 24 kilometers and then turns around back. If the whole occupies 4 hours. Okay. ఎస్ వాల్యూ చెప్తున్నారు 8 24 అపాన్ m ప్లస్ 8 ప్లస్ 24 upon m minus 8 is a 4. 4 6 times 6 times 10, which is 6m minus 6 8 times 48 plus 6m plus 6 8 times 48 upon m square minus 64 is 1. M square minus 64 minus 12m is 0. Minus 12 64 16 4 times 64 minus 16 plus 4 అంటే m value 16. M is equal to 16. Option A is the final answer for this question. Done. Correct. Yes. So here ends the session. నా ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ ఏమైనా నచ్చితే ప్లీజ్ ఈ వీడియోని లైక్ చేయండి, అలాగే మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్తో షేర్ చేసుకోండి. రైట్, అలాగే నెక్స్ట్ వీడియో అప్డేట్స్ కోసం నా ఛానల్ అయితే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకొని ఉంచుకోండి. ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్ ఫర్ యువర్ ఎగ్జామ్స్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.